Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove quantity selector from product pages in Shopify Dawn Theme. So we will delete this button right here. So what you'll need to do is go to your Shopify admin, click online store, then themes, then click on edit theme, and basically right here on the drop down menu select products, default product, and then you will see product information. Click on that one, and right here, if we go back a little bit, we will see this product information, and we will see a quantity selector. So what we'll need to do is just delete that, and as you can see, if we save it, we just have now variant picker and add to cart button. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you remove it. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.